using the worst towers and tower combos and seeing how far we can get inside of Roblox C2D. Well, this is going to be fun. Okay, so first off, oh god, I didn't mean to do that. I think I'm going to try and use Ducky, Hot Rash, and Miner because they all suck. Well, okay, Miner is just useful for these challenges in general. And then there's Hot Rash, and then there's Ducky. I don't know. I'm going to try this, and I'm going to see how bad I do because I do not think you will be able to survive that easily with like just these towers. Let me make sure I have my perks. Oh yeah, I forgot none of these have perks. Silly me. Grassland easy. Let's see if it's so easy after I have this combination. Because normally it's pretty easy to solo this. Besides the fact that apparently because the new quest came out, and I'm almost positive I've soloed around. If I didn't, I probably should. Because I don't have the achievement for doing that. I feel like I should. Oh shoot, I have the Death Whips perk on. I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna start losing cash like crazy. Oh god. Yeah, you lose cash with this perk. I'm so dead. I did not mean to bring this perk. No. How many orbs do I have? 3. Okay, that's decent. Actually, no. Fun fact, you can survive 9 waves of normal mode without taking damage. It's pretty fun fact there. I'm pretty sure you can. So that gives us just enough time to, save. I can also use these orbs to make them die. So, yeah. If you don't know how to get this perk, you have to be a pro gamer and have a pro gaming chair. You have to triumph 150 times. That was how you were supposed to get the Juggernaut perk, which I kind of explained in a video that hasn't been uploaded yet, of me ranking every single tower and perk for version 0.4 because there apparently isn't a tier list of 0.5. I couldn't find one that's up to date with like 0.3. That's how sad that was. But thankfully I found a 0.4 one. Oh my god, this is way too easy. They said this was hard. Oh, I should have placed Ducky. Okay, it's not like I'm gonna max it anyways. I need like 200,000 cash. That's like no. While I do that, let me get a couple of these guys. Yeah, the Nico place effect. It's pretty sick. Please die. Oh my god, that's so expensive to upgrade. Except it gives 100 per wave. Double the amount I would normally get. Which in my book is worth it. But like, yeah. I'll come back when things get a little bit more interesting though. Okay, so I actually have a huge problem. There's like a lot of enemies coming. Like with the slow kids. And I think it's time that I place down my Hot Rash. Bam, there he is, Hot Rash. Whoa, this is like my only good damage tower I have. Let's try to, yeah, that works. Let's get him his gun maybe, I don't know. Yeah, sure. There, his gun. Oh wow, that range, bro. Yeah, shoot them all. Oh, that range sucks. Never mind. Wow, did they update how the range looks? This looks a lot. They definitely updated this. This looks a lot more clean. Oh gosh, I don't want to play Ducky because it's gonna make my HP 1. Please shoot that kid, please. I don't get this game. And yeah, the place limit is 1, which is sad. That's really sad. Oh no, we got this kid. Yeah, hopefully he can take care of them. Please. That's just unfortunate, I guess. Okay. We miners do work, please. I feel like I should upgrade him more. I should try to get him to max. I've never done it before. And while I do that, I should probably maybe upgrade these guys. Wait, can I upgrade him one more time? Oh, it's for 3,000. Shoot. Have these slow kids. I think he can shoot his gun soon. Yeah, shoot. Please shoot, please. Oh, never mind. No, you don't have to shoot anymore. Yeah, now shoot. Take out the gun. Bro, don't smack people with the gun. Yeah, Well, what is the use of the... Okay, yeah, that's the only reason that this tower... Oh, and now they decide to go... Okay, this is fun. Oh, I should probably be using my orb thing, and I should be upgrading. Hot dash. We will become... Wait, we will become strong. So, wait, hot... What are these upgrades? Hot dash? How much damage does this kid do? 20? Okay, that's decent. I'm not placing my ducky, no matter how hard you guys want me to. I'm gonna place the rest of my miners because I can, and it will give me money. I'm actually making it farther than I thought with this bad tower. Okay, it's good at max. If I can get this thing to max, then it'll be crazy OP. And I'm surprisingly not losing as much cash as I thought, because with this orb perk, you actually lose some cash. So when we get to the slow boss, we're basically done for. Let me upgrade all these guys to level 1. I don't really want more than that. We basically are getting an extra $600 per wave. Wait, with the transparent kit. He doesn't attack transparency, I don't think. Huh, interesting. Well, that was definitely an interesting one. I'm gonna try that one more time. Start by placing towers near the path. What? Why would you want to place towers? Like, I don't really get this false accusation here. Well, look at this negative cash. Oh, it just went away. Okay, wave 7 is the wave where things start to get spicy. So I'm going to get my hot ration. I'm going to place it like right down and over here. Kill him, please. I have a family. Oh God. Look, that's a problem right there if I've ever seen one. We need to get that kid his gun because you know, guns are epic. How much does this guy sell for? Like, he's a slave right now. Oh, he sells for 800. What did I have? Ooh, I can get him a gun. Nice. Alright, let's see it. Spray them. Spray. Okay, they need to make the gun go long. It's very OP, though. Hey. Trying to kill me. Whoa, I'm about to die. Let me just quickly... please, actually, please. Please don't kill me. I'm literally about to die from these kids. That is sad. Oh God. Oh my God. What wave did I get to last round? I don't even remember. You know, I'm probably just gonna give up this challenge. I might just try to get a little longer. Okay, nice. I got his gun again. Alright. The bar is charged up. I'm gonna waste on those kids? What about the dummy boss? It seems pretty dumb to me. You want to see something more dumb of me? I should use this, I feel like. But maybe it's a bad idea, I don't know. Kinda want to, though. I need more money. Oh, there's my money. I'll wait a little bit. Use your gun, please, gun. Shoot them! Shoot them, thank you. Don't smack them with your gun. What are you doing? Yeah, sword them, yeah, whatever. Please kill those. Please kill them. 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 Please kill them.
But the pictures take a while to get
That's a
scheduled.
problem.
If you can call in the morning to see if you can change your rate.
Long story short, I lost, and yeah, that was surprisingly fun. But now it all depends on what towers do I use next. Well, let's just go to the equipment section and let's look at all of our options. So we have the worst tower in the game with the worst tower in the game. I'm gonna use all the trash towers that I know of. I don't know, I'll just use those two and like where's miner? Mining away, kid. Yeah. Okay, so I'll use those three. Oh yeah, there's a grenader perk, I think. I probably have it equipped. Yeah, I do. And I'll use the Warlock's Death Whips perk. I want to see how far I can get on baseplate with Potential Bandit as well. So hopefully we have time for that. But now let's use the worst towers in the game. Yeah. Okay, so I decided to do baseplate map, and so far I'm doing not too bad. I haven't lost any HP yet. basically, I found out what the perk does. It gives them like a really high attack rate boost, but then stuns them. So this perk sucks. But what I'm planning on doing is getting a full like row of level 1 of these kids, and then just using them, I guess. But I forgot that there's a place limit, so that's gonna come into play soon, I guess. So yeah, hopefully these guys do damage. And look, they get stunned. They're all getting stunned. So stupid. I guess we also have these archers, and they're interesting. I know that guy was leaking, but here we like to keep the leaks inside. Okay, I'm never saying that again. I'm going to be placing a bunch of archers over here. Wait, I don't want leaks. No, we like to keep our leaks inside. I said I was never saying that again. I am really dumb apparently. So I have a bunch of these archers and a bunch of these kids and some random purple orbs that make me lose cash every second. So hopefully that goes. Okay, so I got this kid at level 4 and he has a grenade launcher now, I guess. Which is so slow. Like unbelievably slow. Now if I can just get this kid to max, he might be useful. Probably not. I was kidding. Do not quote any of what I just said, I guess. Whoa, look at that. The slow boss is about to kill us. What a surprise. Oh, what am I gonna do? Grab the archer. Oh, whoa, let me totally just beat this game. I don't know. Where is this kid? 400 HP. How is that gonna do against my 8 damage? There's also 2 other bosses. Wow. They just can't give us a break, I guess. Shard, why'd you make this mode too hard? Watch my archers do that 8 damage. I'm selling these kids. I'm selling you. We're not gonna win. Wait, we actually might. No way. Actual clutch. You're so good. Okay, I'm quitting this game. Bandit. Warrior. Thief. Let me thief you guys for those likes. Okay, never. I'm never saying that again. I'm going to be playing the grassland map. Start. We are going to be seeing if this is actually good, I guess. Oh no, I have the perk equipped. I keep forgetting that it's equipped. No. Alright. My master plan on how I win this game. I basically just stand here, wait for my very huge balls to kill these guys, I guess, and then I just get enough money for you. Instant kill. Get all of that money. How much money do I get from that? Give me the money. I quit CGD. Wait, I'm kidding. Plus 44 cash. A lot. I found the secret way on how to win this game. It's called Bandit. Easy. Oh, I should have. Oh, yeah. The sword's gonna hit over here, I think. Oh, get over here. Die, noob. I forgot to bring the big muscles perk. I mean, you can only use 2, so I guess the purple orb perk worked out maybe a little bit better. I don't know. I'm just a goofy banana. Guys, look, it's the hard enemies. Pretty easy. Give me money, peasant. Yes. Oh my god, we got so close. But I really don't think this one's going to work. Sadly. Like, we got really close on this one. Ah, that actually sucks. Try to place another. Okay, if he stuns again, that would just be sad. I'm honestly taking a screenshot of that. That was really good. Amazing run. That was amazing. We almost won that with the